Kaapse tatoeëerkunstenaars moes Vrydag behoorlik bond staan. 10 tatoeëerateljees en 30 kunstenaars het in Suid-Afrika se eerste amptelike tattoo-thon deelgeneem. Kaapenaars met 'n voorliefde vir permanente inklyfkuns het die geleentheid gehad om 'n nuwe tatoeëermerk aan te skaf en terselfdertyd 'n stewige bydrae tot liefdadigheid te maak.
6 weeks of planning has finally come to fruition, and none of this could have been done without the support and kindness of all the people involved.
For me, it was more a logistical sense of keeping everything, like the right shops involved and the sterilization procedures and all of that side of things to be, the most important. And once that was done, I think everything else kind of fell into place.
Die doel van die tattoo-thon was om binne een dag minstens R100,000 ten bate van die Kinderkankerstigting van Suid-Afrika in te samel. 'n Persentasie van die geld wat deelnemers vir die inkens betaal het, is aan die stigting geskenk.
It's something that we've never done before. It's an area of our community that we don't often reach, that isn't often associated with charity work. This disease does not discriminate, so it doesn't matter if you have tattoos or not. Your children are also at risk.
I'm in the tattoo industry, and while the tattoo industry is going to support a cause, a good cause, then I'm going to be part of the support group.
And why did you decide to come and get a tattoo today?
To support the Children's House of Cancer charity foundation, and then also I'm finishing my last year of college this year, so it's kind of like a closing chapter for me. It's been 4 years since I had my last tattoo, so I'm going to
I'm asking for the tattoo-a-thon for children's cancer research. It's a good cause to support. Obviously, any excuse to get a tattoo.
Tattoo-a-thon Cape Town 2012 was the first. Joburg is in November. That will be the second one. The third, fourth and fifth will be Miami, New York, London. If you want a tattoo-a-thon in your local city, email me on tattooathon@gmail.com.